OpenBrIM is an open, on-cloud information modeling system designed for the bridge industry. Organizations from many disciplines are involved in the planning, design, construction, and maintenance of a bridge structure. Everyone involved needs a particular set of information to do their work, and a new set of information is handed off to the next involved party as a result. Information exchange between the participants used to be done by sending and receiving paper, mostly in the form of drawings and reports. That means at every exchange, the information needs to be manually recreated on one or more computer systems before particular work can be performed, and then converted back to paper form before information can be handed off to the next party. Considering the amount of information associated with a typical bridge throughout its life cycle, data entry and management become an important aspect of the process. Fortunately, paper exchange is phasing out. We now send and receive digital files. While exchanging digital files is a step in the right direction, it is far from ideal. A diverse set of participants work with a diverse set of tools and technologies. Despite numerous efforts to come up with a standard file exchange, agreeing on one that works for all participants and systems has proven to be a daunting task. While we do exchange standard digital files today, it rarely avoids manual reconstruction of the information. Automatically imported and exported information often carry ambiguities, hidden errors, and implicit gaps due to system incompatibilities. OpenBrIM takes a different approach to information modeling. It's a community-driven, free, open, and on-cloud system. With OpenBrIM, there is no file exchange. There's one central data repository on which all participants operate. Participants are free to access information through OpenBrIM and free to contribute information back into the repository. OpenBrIM manages data, enforces security, ensures integrity, and brokers collaboration. Let's see how. The first step is to make sure that we have the OpenBrIM objects we need to represent the structure and all the information associated with it. The OpenBrIM library is the on-cloud home of OpenBrIM Objects. In its simplest form, you can think of OpenBrIM Objects as the individual components of a structure. Each type of pier, girder, crossframe, deck is an OpenBrIM object. Keep in mind that the OpenBrIM library may contain non-physical objects as well, such as requirements, rules, regulations, property libraries, and more. All OpenBrIM objects are defined parametrically, making them reusable for many structures. If you are working on a typical bridge, the chances are that the objects you need are already available. If not, you're welcome to define one by extending an existing object or simply by creating one from scratch. In fact, anyone can create objects on the OpenBrIM library and pursue objects towards standardization. However, only those objects that have gone through lengthy discussion among involved parties put on track for standardization, and only those that are reviewed, tested, and validated by the community are marked as standard OpenBrIM objects. OpenBrIM provides the base framework so that 3D physical view, analytical finite element data, 2D drawings, all requirements and specifications associated with an object can be represented and contained in that object. A true object-oriented approach to information modeling. OpenBrIM structures are created using OpenBrIM objects. Structures can be restricted to include only standard OpenBrIM objects, and non-standard objects can be given special permissions as needed for flexibility. The OpenBrIM app is a free cloud-based application that allows you to create and manage OpenBrIM structures. 3D physical view, analytical view, 3D and 2D drawings of the structures can be interactively reviewed and modified. It's available on your desktop, tablet, and on mobile. The real power of OpenBrIM comes with its ability to seamlessly integrate with the applications you already use day in and day out. OpenBrIM Connect uses various plugin technologies to integrate OpenBrIM functionality into a wide variety of applications. These plugins are kept open source and maintained by the community for maximum flexibility. The growing list of applications integrated with OpenBrIM can be found on our website, www.openbrim.org.